How to change age on Duolingo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change age on Duolingo. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Duolingo application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the profile option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings page of Duolingo. Now go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Help Center option under the Support tab. Scroll down to the bottom again and tap on the Submit Bug Report button. Now, fill in the form that is being shown to you. Start by entering your email address, followed by enter the subject of your report. I will type in, I want to change my age. Move to the Description tab now and describe your issue. You can also simply copy whatever I have written. Now tap on the Type of Issue drop-down and select the Other Bug option, and finally tap on the Submit button and you will immediately receive a confirmation email reply from Duolingo in the email address that you have connected your Duolingo to. Now, wait for the other reply from Duolingo, and this is how you can change age on Duolingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.